50 facts about wild wilderness areas cover about 20% of the Earth's land surface. Wild animals can be found in every continent except Antarctica. The largest wild animal in the world is the blue whale. The smallest wild animal in the world is the bumblebee bat. Wild animals can communicate with each other using a variety of methods, including vocalizations, body language, and chemical signals. Many wild animals have developed adaptations that help them survive in their environments, such as camouflage, sharp claws, or the ability to fly. Wild animals can be dangerous to humans, especially if they feel threatened or are protecting their young. Some wild animals, such as wolves and coyotes, are apex predators that play important roles in maintaining ecological balance. Human activities, such as hunting, habitat destruction, and climate change, are threatening many wild animal populations around the world. National parks and other protected areas are important for preserving wild habitats and allowing wild animals to thrive. Wild animals are often used as symbols in human culture, such as the lion representing strength and courage. Many wild animals are featured in popular media, such as movies, books, and television shows. Wild animals can be trained and domesticated to some extent, but they retain their natural instincts and behaviors. Some wild animals, such as elephants and dolphins, are highly intelligent and have complex social structures. Wild animals can be studied and researched to learn more about their behavior, biology, and ecology. Wild animals can also be used for tourism, such as wildlife safaris or whale watching. Wild animals can provide important ecosystem services, such as pollination, seed dispersal, and pest control. Many wild animals are threatened or endangered due to human activities, and conservation efforts are needed to protect them. Some wild animals, such as bats and bees, are important pollinators that help sustain plant communities. Wild animals can be found in a variety of habitats, including forests, deserts, grasslands, and oceans. Wild animals can be classified into different groups based on their physical characteristics, behavior, and evolutionary history. Some wild animals, such as sharks and crocodiles, have been around for millions of years and have survived multiple mass extinctions. Wild animals can have complex social relationships, such as family groups of elephants and cats. Many wild animals migrate long distances to find food, mate, or avoid harsh weather conditions. Wild animals can be affected by diseases and parasites, which can have significant impacts on their populations. Some wild animals, such as birds and fish, are important food sources for humans and other animals. Wild animals can be used in traditional medicine practices, although this can lead to overexploitation and endangerment of some species. Many wild animals have unique adaptations that allow them to survive in extreme environments, such as the polar bear's thick fur and the camel's ability to store water. Wild animals can be hunted for sport or food, although this can lead to overexploitation and endangerment of some species. Some wild animals, such as bats and snakes, are feared and misunderstood by humans, leading to persecution and habitat destruction. Wild animals can be affected by climate change, which can alter their habitats and food sources. Many wild animals are nocturnal, meaning they are active at night. Wild animals can be territorial, defending their home ranges from other individuals or groups. Some wild animals, such as chimpanzees and dolphins, have been observed using tools and exhibiting complex problem-solving skills. Wild animals can be affected by pollution, such as oil spills or plastic waste in the ocean. Many wild animals mate for life, forming strong bonds with their partners.